Louis Roberts and I'm the Estate Manager within the Housing and Property Department. We provide estate management service to the remainder of the Council's departments. The work that's carried out within our unit includes lease management, the purchase and sale of land and valuing the land and property. Experience of managing a wide range of properties varying from industrial units to council farms. The trainee will be provided with an opportunity to negotiate lease terms, carry out rent reviews, valuate property, deal with ownership inquiries and negotiate terms for the sale and purchase of property. The trainee will be provided with the opportunity to follow a master's degree course at John Moores University in Liverpool in real estate management. As part of that course, the trainee will be required to travel to Liverpool to the university 1 day a week for over a period of 2 years. The course itself will include modules such as valuation, property management and land law. Should you have an interest in property, enjoy negotiating and analysing information in order to provide recommendations and solve problems, this opportunity could be the role for you.